For a long time, if you wanted cutting-edge gaming tech, you had to go big. But small form-factor gaming builds, like the MSI Trident X, are changing that perception. This is a cutting-edge gaming build in a portable, console-sized case. The Trident X has just about everything you'd expect from a huge gaming tower, with a much smaller footprint. It may be less than 15 pounds, but that doesn't mean it's sacrificing anything on the hardware front. Don't be fooled by the small size of the Trident X. Powering this gaming beast is a full-size 20 series NVIDIA GPU. That means NVIDIA's new Turing architecture and all the features this new generation of cards bring to the game. This is the MSI Ventus graphics card, featuring a dual-fan design and double ball bearings for long-lasting performance. You can choose between a 2070, 2080, or 2080 Ti GPU in your Trident X, so you've got options. Whichever you choose, expect top-notch performance in AAA titles or VR. A GPU like this 2080 needs solid hardware backing it up, and the Trident X delivers. We're looking at a 9th Gen Intel 9900K overclockable CPU cooled with this RGB fan. It also has 16 GB of RAM and a 256 GB M.2 or optional Optane technology, along with 2 TB of backup storage. This is some serious hardware, but one of the coolest things about the Trident X is that even though it's small, it's easy to upgrade. Want to drop in more RAM or even a new GPU? No problem. And if you want to see that sweet hardware, this tiny desktop comes with a tempered glass panel, so you can choose whatever look fits your style. And speaking of style, let's talk lighting. The Trident X makes excellent use of MSI's Mystic Light software, accenting the angular black case with fully customizable RGB. And if you're rocking all MSI gear, even better, because Mystic Light allows you to sync it all up for a uniform look. One issue we sometimes run into with high-end components in small cases like this is overheating. MSI addresses this with compartmentalized cooling. The GPU and CPU are completely separated in their own areas of the chassis with their own ventilation systems. The Trident X also has a huge selection of connection options, so no matter what display setup you're using, you'll be good to go. On the front, we're looking at 3 USB ports, including a USB 3.1 Type-C port. On the back, we have 3 display ports, 1 HDMI, and another USB 3.1 Type-C port on the GPU, as well as everything else you'd expect from a modern motherboard. We've paired our Trident X with an MSI Optics MPG27C high refresh display, and the results were killer. Smooth performance for every game we tested, with high frame rates even at higher resolutions. Gone are the days of bulky laptops or huge gaming builds. This portable, VR-ready powerhouse isn't just a console replacement. It's a fully armed, cutting-edge battle station that easily outperforms any console out there by a huge margin. Sure, it costs more, but you're getting something way more powerful in a box that's almost the same size as a PlayStation 4 or Xbox One. It will be interesting to see how MSI continues to push the boundaries of what all can fit in these tiny cases. We're excited to find out what's next.